Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, thank you. Right. Let us work a few more problems on indeterminate form 0 by 0. So take the fifth problem, that is limit x tends to 0. A raised to x minus 1 minus x log a whole divided by x square. So the problem is a raised to x minus 1 minus x log a whole divided by x square as limit x tends to 0. First, you have to substitute x equals 0 there. Check whether it is of the indeterminate form 0 by 0. Then you have to proceed. So, putting x equals 0, what you will get is a raised to 0 is 1. Next, 1 minus 1, 0 that is. If you put x equals 0, the numerator becomes 0. What about the denominator? Denominator is x square. So, therefore, if you put x equals 0, you will get 0. So wrongly print agide x agibitide, they will make it x square in the denominator in the second step. Next, in the third step, it is okay. So because it is of the form 0 by 0, using L'Hospital rule, what we have to do is you have to differentiate the numerator and also differentiate the denominator till the indeterminate form vanishes. So first you differentiate a raised to x. What is differentiation of a raised to x? That's by logarithmic differentiation. It is a raised to x log a. Differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. Minus differentiation of 1 is 0. Minus log a into differentiation of x, that is 1. So what you will get is a raised to x log a minus log a whole divided by x square differentiation. Remember, it is x square differentiation because in the problem denominator is given to be x square. So therefore you have to differentiate x square. So x square differentiation is 2x, and then you have to take the limit as x tends to 0. If we take the limit as x tends to 0, check whether it is of the indeterminate form. If you put x equals 0, a raised to 0 is 1, you will get log a. Log a minus log a, that is 0, divided by, in the denominator, if you put x equals 0, you will get 2 into 0, that is 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form. So here, 0 by 0, it is indeterminate form. Therefore, by L'Hospital rule, you have to differentiate once again both numerator and denominator with respect to x. So differentiating, you will get log a is constant, remember. A raised to x differentiation is a raised to log a. A raised to x log a. A raised to x log a, one more log a is there, therefore you will get a raised to x log a whole square. Minus log a is constant, therefore its differentiation is 0, whole divided by 2x differentiation with respect to x is 2. So if you put x equals 0 now, again check whether it is of the indeterminate form. If you put x equals 0, a raised to 0 is 1. You will get log a whole square whole divided by 2. So indeterminate form vanished here. Therefore, the process ends here. You need not have to differentiate further. Final answer is log a whole square whole divided by 2. This is the limit of a raised to x minus 1 minus x log a divided by x square, letting x to 0. Now let us take another problem, rather a lengthy problem, that is sixth problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus x whole divided by x tan square x. Remember, as x tends to 0 here. First you have to check whether it is of indeterminate form or not. Put x equals 0. So you will get 1 plus sin 0 is 0. You will get 1. Cos 0 is 1. That 1 minus 1 cancels. If you put x equals 0, you will get in the last term, you will get log 1. Log 1 is 0. So numerator is 0. What about the denominator? If you put x equals 0, denominator is also 0. So therefore it is of the form 0 by 0 form. It is indeterminate form. Therefore, you have to use the L'Hospital rule. You have to differentiate both numerator and also denominator and let x tends to 0. Taking limit x tends to 0 after differentiation. Before that, you shall make use of an adjustment there. What is that? Is numerator is kept as it is. What is numerator? 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x, or log of 1 minus x. That is in the third step here. We are in the third step. Next, we shall make use of one simple technique here. What is the technique is? We shall write tan square x as tan x by x whole square. If that were to be the case, you have to adjust this x square. So that adjustment is being made here, it is x cube. So therefore, you have to multiply and divide by x square here. You will get here, already one x is there. If you multiply that by x square, you will get x cube. And one x is being adjusted here, tan x by x whole square. It is nothing but tan square x by x square, limit x tends to 0. This is because limit of tan x by x as x tends to 0 is 1, remember. If you have limit of sin x by x, that is also 1. But here we have tan x by x as limit x tends to 0, this is 1. So then it becomes easier to differentiate further. That is, to use L'Hospital rule, it will be easier if you make tan x by x as x tends to 0 is 1 here. You will get 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x. This becomes 1 here. This is therefore you will get divided by x cube. Now you have to check this again, whether it is of the indeterminate form or not. For that, if you put x equals 0, 1 plus sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. If you put x equals 0, log 1 is 0. Yes, numerator is 0. What about the denominator? If you put x equals 0, 0 cube, that is 0. So again, it is of the form 0 by 0. Therefore, you have to use L'Hospital rule, differentiate the numerator. So differentiate 1, 0. Differentiation of sin x, cos x. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. But already minus is there, you will get plus sin x. Differentiation of log of 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x. Differentiation of 1 minus x using chain rule, 1 equals 0. Differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Therefore, you will get minus of 1 by 1 minus x whole divided by differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square. Now check again, it is of the indeterminate form. Put x equals 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Sin 0 is 0. X 0. 1 minus 1. First term is 1. And the last one is minus 1, therefore 0. Denominator, if you put x equals 0, it is 0. Therefore, it is again indeterminate form 0 by 0. Further, you have to use L'Hospital rule again here. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of 1 by 1 minus x is, it is minus 1 by 1 minus x whole square into differentiation of 1 by x is minus. Therefore, you will get minus into minus into minus, 3 minus, that is plus, minus 1 by 1 minus x whole square, whole divided by differentiation of 3x square is what? 6x, as x tends to 0. Again, you have to check whether it is indeterminate or not. If you put x equals 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. If you put x equals 0, 1 minus 1, that becomes a 0 in the numerator. And the denominator also, if you put x equals 0, you will get to 0. Again, it is of 0 by 0 form. So therefore, you have to use again L'Hospital rule. Differentiation of minus sin x is what? Minus cos x. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Differentiation of 1 by 1 minus x square. You can differentiate this using 1 minus x whole power minus 2. If you write that 1 minus x whole power minus 2, that becomes minus 2 into 1 minus x whole power minus 3 divided by minus 1 because of differentiation of 1 minus x. So further I can write that as minus 2 by 1 minus x whole cube. Then hege differentiate ಮಾಡೋದು 1 minus x whole power minus 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You know the differentiation of x raised to n ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? nx raised to n minus 1. So our differentiation use ಮಾಡಿ, you have to differentiate this. Denominator differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is differentiation of denominator 6x? That is 6. ಮತ್ತೆ limit substitute ಮಾಡಿ check whether it is indeterminate or not. If you put x equals 0, cos 0 is what? 1, and it is minus 1. Cos 0 is 1. Because of minus cos x, you will get minus 1. Sin 0 is 0. And if you put x equals 0 here, you will get minus 2. So it is minus 2 divided by 6. So if you simplify this, what you will get is minus 3 by 6. Therefore, it is minus half. So these are all the problems on 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So here the answer for this problem is minus half. So here, after certain stage, L'Hospital rule ends here. So it has many stages here. In all these stages, what you have to do is, first you have to substitute x equals 0 and check whether it is of the form 0 by 0 form. If it were to be 0 by 0 form, then you have to use L'Hospital rule. The use of L'Hospital rule is you have to differentiate the numerator, and next you have to differentiate the denominator, and then substitute again x equals 0. Again, if it is of 0 by 0 form, so you have to use L'Hospital rule repeatedly. Ultimately, you will get the finite value, that is minus half. There are several problems you can work out that is given in the exercises. For example, x minus log of 1 plus x by 1 minus cos x as x tends to 0. If you put x equals 0, it is 0, log 1 is 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, it is again 0 by 0 form. So I have to differentiate both numerator and denominator. Further, if it is again of the form 0 by 0, next use the L'Hospital rule repeatedly. You will take it as an exercise. And the second problem is that, so it is also of the form 0 by 0. Second problem is also, it is 0 by 0 form. There you have to make one adjustment. What is that is, you have to write sin x by x into x cube. Here you have to write sin x by x into x cube. So then sin x by x as x tends to 0 becomes 1. Next, use L'Hospital rule repeatedly. It will be simpler. So here, in the third problem, again it is of 0 by 0 form. Only thing is, you have to differentiate this further. Next, tan x minus x. Again, here you have to divide this by x, tan x by x, and make it as x cube. And then use tan x by x as x tends to 0, 1, and then differentiate further, you will get the final answer. So all these problems, you try all these problems, and okay, I shall go to another one now. That is indeterminate form, infinity by infinity. Indeterminate form, infinity by infinity. Okay, I have to work out this problem, but there is a problem with okay, I shall close this. I have some problem here. Okay, I shall close this meeting. I shall work out this in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, right. Thank you.